I got Dad in the old 926 doing some tree removal. Kind of upset that he removed this one. Freaking berry tree, Dad. What are you doing, man? But it is what it is. It was growing in our fence line, so you know what to say. You gotta make little compromises to get the end result. Gonna have ourselves a big old bonfire back here one of these days. Big old bonfire. You can kind of see it right in there.